Hello and welcome back to SJ Rips. Today we have this One Piece box. Not 100% sure what is in here. We'll open it up and we'll have a look. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. So we have, okay, so it's tiny little box, but there is 20 packs in there. I think the Cardtoon packs feel a bit different. Let's get ripping. Okay. So we have an SR of Boa Hancock. We have an SR of Jinbai. We have an SSR of Robin. We have an SR from guy from Dressrosa. Can't think of his name. And we have an SR of Arlong. Oh, these are nice cards. What's the... Oh, and they're on the back too. Very nice. Okay, next pack. So we have another SR of Arlong. An SR of Luffy. Another SSR of Robin. That is a different SSR though to the last one. That one's more shiny. Another SSR. Sorry, SR. And then an SR of Usopp. Loving these cards so far. Next pack. Another SR of Usopp. SR. And then we've got an SSR of Frankie. It's a bit more like that one. An SR of Enel. And an SR of Doflamingo. Oh, there's another SR of Doflamingo. They seem to be the same base cards in one pack. The last one in one pack's the first one in the next pack. I think I always got a blank on his name. SR. Oh, and then we have a GR of Luffy. We'll like that one. Nice in gold. Very nice. We've got an SR of Robin. And an SR of Boa Hancock. And that's continuing. Last card of one pack's the first one of the next one. SR of Jinbai. We've got another GR. Monet, was that might have been her name? I think. Oh, an SR of Ace. Another SR of Arlong. Very impressed with these cards so far. Another SR of Arlong. SR of Luffy. Oh, and then we have an SSR of Frankie. There seems to be two different types of SSRs in here. SR of Chopper. Another SR of Usopp. SR of Usopp. SR. And we've got an SSR of Brook. SR and SR of Doflamingo. We have an SR of Smoker. We have an SR of Brook. We have an SSR of Jibai. Some more SRs. SR Chopper. And then, ooh, we have an LR. Frankie. Very nice. An SR of Jinbai. Another SR of Boa Hancock. Okay. Another SR. And we have another GR. This time we have Zoro. An SR of Frankie. And then another SR of Chopper. Okay, so halfway through now. SR. Mihawk. And another GR of Caesar. SR Crocodile. And next pack, SR of Crocodile, SR of Zoro, and then we have an SSR of Nami. SR of Sanji. It's nice to be this far into the packs and still getting some SRs that we haven't seen yet. And then we have an SSR of Usopp. Some more SRs. Some of these SRs we've seen 4 or 5 times, and others we haven't seen yet. We have another GR. SR of Frankie. Oops, they're starting to get a repetitive, some of these SRs now. And we have another GR, this time of Mihawk. I've run out of sleeves, so the reason I'm not sleeving those ones up. We have Enel and Crocodile. Another Crocodile and Zoro. Oh, and we have a UR of Crocodile. Very nice. We have an SR of Robin and Sanji. Jinbai. And we have an SSR of Sanji. Some more SRs. Okay, we've got 3 packs to go. SR of Arlong, Luffy, and an SSR of Chopper. Some more SRs. SR of Usopp. Another GR, this time of Zoro, Enel, and Crocodile. Okay, final pack. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Really enjoyed opening this box. Very nice cards in here. Doflamingo. And finish off with a GR of Jinbai. And then SR of Robin and SR of Sanji. I hope you enjoyed this video. Quite nice cards, including this LR of Frankie and the UR of Crocodile. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.